So good morning. So our topic is solar photovoltaic system. So a solar photovoltaic system is commonly referred to as a solar PV system. So and it is a type of a renewable energy system which is used to convert the sunlight into electrical energy, and it is made up of several components including solar panels, an inverter, a battery bank and a charge controller. So this is an example of the solar panels that are going to be installed. Basically, these are going are being installed on top of the house where the sunlight is falling more. So and then so the solar panels, which are made up of photovoltaic cells, capture the sunlight and then convert that sunlight into the direct currents electricity, means DC electricity. Then the inverter converts that DC electricity which is captured from the sunlight into alternating current electricity, which is what most homes and businessmen use to power their electrical systems. And then the battery bank stores the excess energy which is generated by the solar panels during the day, which can be used at night or during the period of low sunlight. So the change controller ensures that the battery bank is charged properly and prevents overcharging. So this is how we can make the sunlight to convert it into the electrical energy. So we can see here the sunlight is falling on the solar modules. Later it would charge the controller through and it falls the DC input, and then it performs this all the task, and then it will be converted into AC output, and then it will and then later the electrical energy will be generated. So and some of the applications of solar photovoltaic systems are, so this can be used for the commercial purpose, like many businessmen are turning to solar PV systems to save the energy and also to reduce the cost and also their carbon footprint, and they can be used in the residential for installed in the homes to generate the electricity. So even here also we can cut down the cost of using the electricity which costs more money. And then remote power, so in the remote areas, so solar PV systems can be used in the remote areas, so that similarly it can cut down the cost here also. And then and some more applications are, it can be also used in the agriculture, so in the power irrigation systems, and then livestock waterers and other farm equipments. So it will be not so much effective as the electrical energy, but it can be made it effective. And then transportation, solar PV systems can be used to power the electric vehicles and charging the stations. So and some of the benefits of using the photovoltaic systems are, so they are renewable and sustainable. So solar PV systems are renewable, so that it can generate the electricity using the sunlight, which is a renewable source of energy. It does not produce any harmful emission, so it does not cause any human being a harm, so making it a sustainable option for electricity generation. And then low operation costs. Solar PV systems have a low operation cost as they do not require any fuel to generate the electricity. So it is a low operation cost. So once the initial investment is made for the installation, so later there will be no much money that is required for this usage of the solar photovoltaic systems. And then reducing of the carbon footprints. So the solar PV systems do not produce any greenhouse gas emissions, so which make them eco-friendly, and it is very used in the environment. It does not cause any harmful, so they help in reducing the carbon footprint and then contribute to the cleaner environment. So these are some of the benefits of using the solar photovoltaic systems. And then the conclusion for this is, so the solar PV systems maybe are the promising technology with the numerous applications and also having the greater benefits. So as the technology continues to advance, so it decreases the cost, so we can expect to see usage of the people can more use these solar PV systems in the upcoming days. So it can be installed all around the world. and then which contributes to a more sustainable and resilient energy future, and then environment will be in a proper mood without harming the nature. Thank you.